Hi everyone, hope all are good. So we're going to start with grade 7 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and click on view options, and the chapter we're going to start with is fractions and mixed numbers. So basically we are already working on the chapter. So the topic lesson we're going to start with is fractions and mixed numbers. And the lesson is round mixed numbers. Okay, let's start with the topic. Please make sure before starting the lesson you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and examples as well. Got it? So let's start with round mixed numbers. Yes, hi. Okay, let's start with an example. What is 1 whole 2 by 4 rounded to the nearest whole number? 1 whole 2 by 4. You have to round off 1 whole 2 by 4 to the nearest whole number. Got it? So here 1 is the whole number and 2 by 4 is the fractional part. Got it? So to round a mixed number to the nearest whole number, look at the fractional part. Got it? If the fraction is more than 1 by 2, we have to round down. A fraction is less than 1 by 2, we have to round down. Or if it is greater than 1 by 2 or greater or equal to 1 by 2, you have to round up. Got it? So you just look at the fractional part. The fractional part is 2 by 4. So when you convert that 2 by 4 to the simplest form, you need to divide it by 2. So it would be 1 over 2. That means it is equal to 1 over 2. So when the fractional part is greater or equal to 1 by 2, you have to round up. Round up means you simply need to add 1 to the whole number. So 1 whole 2 by 4 is rounded off to 2. Got it? When the fractional part is greater or equal to 1 by 2, you have to remove the fractional part and add 1 to the whole number. Got it? Okay, let's start with another example. Okay, the next example is 66 whole 6 over 10. Okay, let's just look at the fractional part 6 over 10. Let's just write down 26 over 6 over 10 in the smallest form. Let's just divide it by 2. So it would be 3 over 5. So you have to compare 3 over 5 to 1 over 5. So 3 over 5 is greater than 1 over 5 or less than 1 over 5. Both numerator and denominator are greater than 1 by 2, isn't it? That means 3 over 5 is greater than 1 over 2. So greater than 1 over 2, that means you have to round up, remove the fractional part and add 1 to the whole number. So it would be rounded off to 67. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test. Okay, the first one is what is 63 whole 604 whole 10 over 11 rounded to the nearest whole number. Okay, let's just start with the Yes, sure, we can do practice questions. This way you'll get the concept. Got it? If you need more help, just let me know right after the first question. Got it? Let's start with 63, 634 whole 10 by 11. 630, sorry, 634 whole 10 over 11. Okay, whenever you have to round off the mixed number, we can just look for the fractional part, right? So the fractional part for this one is 10 over 11. Let me just confirm. Yes, it is 10 over 11. So you have to compare the 10 over 11 to 1 over 2. Got it? You need to see if 10 over 11 is greater than 1 by 2 or less than 1 by 2. So when you compare it to the 1 by 2, the denominator is greater than 1 and the numerator is also greater than 2. So when you compare both the fractions, the denominator and numerator of this one is greater than 1 by 2. That means 10 by 11 is greater than 1 by 2. If you don't know how to compare fractions this way, you can simply divide the numerator and denominator, and let's see if 10 by 11 is 0.9 and 0.5 is 1 by 2 is 0.5. So 0.9 is greater than 1 by 2. Got it? That's the easiest way if you don't know how to compare the fractions. Got it? That means 0.9 is greater than 1 by 2. So you have to round up, remove the fractional part, add 1 to 634. So it would be rounded off to 635. Got it? Yes, that's the another way you can do the cross multiplication. If both sides are equal, that means the fraction are equal. If right hand side is greater than the left hand side, this is another way to compare the fractions. Got it? So you can follow any way you know how to compare the fractions. Got it? So these are the three ways to compare the fractions. Got it? Okay, what is 9 whole 2 by 4 rounded to the nearest whole number? I think that's the one video doing tutorial, isn't it? Okay, 9 whole 2 over 4. Just look at the whenever you have to compare the fraction, whenever you have to round off the mixed numbers, just look at the fractional part. So here you have 2 by 4. Let's just simplify the number. You can divide them by 2. So it would be 1 over 2. You need to compare the fraction with 1 over 2. If it is greater or equal to half, they are equal. That means you have to round up. Round up means you have to remove the fractional part, add 1 to the whole number. So it would be 10. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what is 7 whole 4 by 5 rounded to the nearest whole number? So you have to see 7 whole 4 by 5 is rounded to 7 whole 4 over 5. Okay, so you have 4 over 5, just come 4 over 5 to 1 over 2. So 4 over 5 is greater than 1 over 2. Got it? That means you have to round up. So just remove the fractional part and add 1 to. Yes, very good. It is 8. Please write your name. So it is 8. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, now you have to compare 1 whole 16 by 18. So 1 whole 16 by 18 is, you have to round off the number. So you have to compare the fractional part to 1 by 2. So 1 whole 16 over 18. So is 16 over 18. You write the answer in the mixed fractional form. So you have to divide it by 2. So it would be 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 9 is 18. I just asked you to write your name. The Gaming is, I think, your user, your YouTube account name. I've just asked to write your name. Okay, so you have to compare 8 by 9 to 1 over 2. So 8 by 9 is greater than 1 over 2. So you have to round up. So it would be then 2. Got it? Okay, so It is 8, the correct option is 2. When you the number, it would be 2. Got it? Okay, Donal. Okay, the next one is, what is 19 whole 9 by 12 round to the nearest whole number? So 9 by 12 is greater than 1 by 2. Got it? That means you have to round up. Round up means you have to round it to the 20. Got it? 19 whole 9 by 12 is rounded off to 20. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, what is 637 whole 4 over 6 rounded to nearest whole number? You have to compare the fractional part to half. So 4 by 6 is greater than 1 by 2, less than 1 by 2. 4 by 6 is greater than 1 by 2. Got it? That means you have to round to the round up to the, so it would be 638. Got it? Yes, very good, Donald. It is 638. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is 361 whole 7 over 12 rounded to the nearest whole? So you have to compare 7 by 12 to the half. So 7 by 12 is, so 7 over 12 is greater than 1 by 2 or less than 1 by 2? 7 over 12 is greater than 1 by 2. Got it? That means you have to round up. Means add 1 to the whole number. So it would be 361 plus 1 is, yes, 62. 362. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the next topic, that is the final test for the chapter. So let's start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, write 1 by 10 in a lowest terms. So which is the correct option? How do we write 1 by 10 to the lowest terms? Yes, 1 by 10 is already in the lowest form because you don't have the numerator is 1 over 10. You have to find a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. So we don't have any other than 1. So that means 1 by 10 is already in a lowest form. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay. The next one is, Kendra made 5 cookies. She put sprinkles on 4 of the cookies. What fraction of the cookies had sprinkles? So which is the correct option? The total cookies are 5. Out of 5, she put sprinkles on 4 cookies. So what fraction of cookies have sprinkles? Yes, it is 4 over 5. The total cookies are 5 and out of 5, 4 had sprinkles. So it would be 4 over 5. Very good. Okay, just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, there were 8 ducks in a pond. 5 flew away. What fractions of the ducks were left? So out of the 8, 5 flew away. So how many ducks do we have left? Very good. It is 4 over 5. Oh no. Yes, 3 by 8. Yes, 4 by 5 is the answer for the last one. Got it. Okay, so the correct option is 3 by 8. 8 subtract 5 is 3 and total ducks are 8. So it would be 3 over 8. Got it. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay. Type the missing number that makes the fraction equal. You have to type the missing number. So what fraction makes, so what missing number makes the fraction equal? 4 by 8 and missing number is, yes, very good, it is 1 over 2, because the, let me 4 over 8, 4 over 8 equals the missing number over 2. That means you have to divide this fraction so that the numerator equals 2. So what number you have to divide with is, we can divide it by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. That's how the numerator is 1. Very good, Donal, it is 1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, according to the sales statistics at a local newspaper and a local magazine, 4 by 9 of the newspapers, 4 by 9 of the newspapers' new subscribers renewed their subscription compared to 3 by 10 of the magazine's new subscribers. Which publication had a greater fraction of new subscribers renew their subscription? So basically, you have to compare both the fractions. So we need to see which one is greater, 4 by 9 is greater or 3 by 10 is greater. Got it? So which one is greater? 4 by 9 is greater than, yes, very good. 4 by 9 is greater than 3 over 10. So just select correct option, the newspaper. 4 by 9, yes, 4 by 9 is newspaper. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, for Billy's birthday, 1/8 of the presents were gift cards. For Sarah's birthday, 7/8 of the presents were gift card. Who received a greater fraction of the gift cards? 1 by 8 and 7 by 8. So which one is greater? Yes, 7 by 8 is a greater value. That means Sarah got the more cards than the Billy's. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which fraction is greater? 1 by 10 is greater or 10 by 11 is greater? Which one is greater, 1 by 10 or 10 by 11? 10 over 11 is greater than 1 over 11. Got it? Donal, you have to find the greater fraction. So 1 by 11 is greater or 10 by 11 is greater? Both of the fractions have same denominators. Got it? You have to compare their numerators. So 10 is greater than 11. So that would be 10 over 11, isn't it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Yes, it is 10 over 11. Very good. Okay. Oh, it's okay, no problem. A supermarket found that 8 by 9 of customers bought produce and 3/5 of the customers bought processed food. Which purchases which purchase was made by a greater fraction of customers? So which one is greater? 8 by 9 is greater or 3 by 5 is greater? 8 by 9 is greater than 3 by 5, isn't it? That means 8 by 9 is greater than 3 by 5. So 8 by 9 is for the produce. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, what is the least common denominator of 3 by 8 and 11 by 12? You have to find the least common denominator of 3 by 8 and 11 over 12. So 3 over 8 and 11 over 12. So for least common denominator, you have to find the uh, you have to write the prime factors of both the numbers. Got it? So for 8, it is 2 times 2 times 2, and for 12, it is 2 times 2 times 3. Got it? So the common fraction factors are 2 is common and 2 is common. Let's just write down the common factors, and the other non-common factors are 3 times 2. So just multiply the numbers. Yes, the answer is 24. Very good, Donal. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. That means the common denominator is 24. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just going to start the new chapter, and the new chapter is, let's just start with the new chapter. Just click on the back button and again back button so that we can see the next chapter is number sequences. Let's start with the next chapter, that is a number sequences. The chapter name is number sequences, and the lesson we are going to start with is geometric sequences. Oh, sorry, not geometric sequences. The lesson we're going to start with is identify arithmetic and geometric sequence. The lesson name is the lesson name is identify arithmetic and geometric sequence. So basically, first we are going to learn what is the arithmetic sequence and what is geometric sequence. Got it? Okay, so let me write down the definitions. Please note the definitions. They are very important when doing practice questions. So please make sure note down the definitions. I'm going to start with the arithmetic sequence. So in an arithmetic sequence, there is a constant difference between there is a constant difference between consecutive terms. Like for the two consecutive terms, the value of the difference is always the same. Two consecutive terms. This means that you can always get from one term to the next term by adding the and subtracting the same number. Got it? This means that you can always get from one term to the next, from one term to the next by adding or subtracting the same number. Got it? If the difference is same, that means it is the arithmetic sequence, right? Please note down the definitions. Then I'm going to write the other one, that is for the geometric sequence. Okay, let me write down the definition of the geometric sequence. Okay, this one is the for arithmetic sequence, and the next one I'm going to write with is for geometric sequence. So in geometric sequence there is a constant multiplier. In geometric sequence there is a constant multiplier between consecutive terms. Between consecutive terms. This means that you can always get from one term to the next by one term to the next by multiplying or dividing by the same number. Got it? And dividing by same number. Okay, that's the difference between the arithmetic sequence and the geometric sequence. Let's do examples, then it would be more clear to you. Okay, let's start with an example that is, okay, let's just do examples. Okay, or either the sequence is both arithmetic or geometric. Got it? The only way you can note down, the only way a sequence can be both, a sequence can be both arithmetic and geometric, arithmetic and geometric if it repeats the same number over and over again. If it repeats the same number over and over again. Okay, please, I'll wait for a while. Please note down the definition so that I can start with examples. Be quick. Okay, let's start with the example. Okay, let's just click on the test button so that we can do practice questions. The topic is identify arithmetic and geometric sequences. Here you have a test. Let's just start with the test. Okay, first question is, let's start with the test. What kind of sequence is this? You have all the numbers 240, 240 for the same number. Got it? The number is not changing. So that means we just done with the definitions. If the number repeats itself again and again, the same number is repeating. That means the sequence is, if you have same number repeating again and again, that means the sequence is both arithmetic or geometric. Got it? The answer for these types of sequences is both. Got it? The same number is repeating again and again. So the correct option in this case is both. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, Kim is picking flowers in the garden. She picked 4 flowers from the first bush, 9 from the second, 16 from the third, and 25 flowers from the fourth bush. What kind of sequence is this? Okay, let me write down the numbers. 4, 9, 16, and 25. Okay, the numbers are 4, 9, 16, and 25. Okay, you need to see if the let me read the question again. If the what kind of sequence is this? Okay, we have to identify the type of sequence. So let me just, okay. So here is the number 4, 9, 16 and 4, 9, 16 and 25. Okay, let's start with 4 plus what number makes 9? 4 plus 5 is 9. Got it? Then 9 what number is 16? 9 plus 7 makes 16. And 16 plus what number makes 25? 16 plus 25 minus 16, 9 makes 25. That means the common difference isn't same. Got it? This is the common difference you can see. Got it? So the common difference is in this case is not same. That means it is not arithmetic. Got it? Now let's see if it is geometric. So 4, 9, 16, and 25. Okay, so the difference between 4 to 4 by 9 is you have to multiply it to the 9 over 4. Got it? And from 9 to 16 is you need to multiply it by 16 over 9, and for this one you have to multiply it 25 over 16. That in the geometric sequence there, the common difference and their multiplier isn't same. Got it? That means the both cases are not possible. There is neither arithmetic and nor geometric. Got it? And in all, it is neither arithmetic nor geometric because they don't have any the same common difference, and also the multiplier isn't same. That means it is not the neither arithmetic or nor geometric. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the neither is the correct option, and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is what kind of sequence is this? Okay, 115, 100. Let me write it down on board. Okay, 115, 185, and 70. You need to see what kind of fraction, what kind of sequence is this. Got it? So just see 115, 200 is, that means you subtracted 15. Got it? Okay, then 100 minus 85 is again negative 15. 18, we are subtracting 15 again and again. So in this case, common difference is same. Yes, very good, Donal. It is arithmetic. Got it? Because you're subtracting the same number each time. So mm, it is the arithmetic sequence. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, Jordan did 2 push-ups on Thursday, 6 push-ups on Friday, 18 push-ups on Saturday, and 15 push-ups on Sunday. What kind of sequence is this? Okay, you have to see 2, 6, 18, and let me write 2, 6. Okay, the numbers are 2, 6, 18, and 54. Okay, let's see if it is arithmetic. So let's just 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 12 is 18, and 18 plus 54 minus 18 is 36. So the common difference isn't same. Got it? And now let's look if it is geometric. So 2 times what number makes 16? Sorry, 2 times 3 makes 16, and 6 times 3 makes 18, and 18 times 3 makes 50. That means the multiplier is same in this case. Got it? So yes, very good, Donal. It is geometric sequence. Got it? Because their multiplier is same, so it is geometric sequence. Got it? Let's start. Let's just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So it is geometric sequence. The next one is, what kind of sequence is this? 87, 100, 113, and 126. So it is arithmetic because the numbers are increasing by the same value. That would be, I think, 13. Let me just confirm. Write down 87, 100, 113, and 126. Okay, yes, it is arithmetic because the common difference between all the numbers is same. For each next number, you have to add 13. Got it? 100 plus 13 is 113, and 13 plus 13 is 126. That means the sequence is arithmetic. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, Lauren is organizing her books and putting them on shelves. She put 107 books on the first shelf, 125 on the second, 143 on the third, and 161 on the fourth shelf. What kind of sequence is this? Let me write down the numbers on the board. Okay, they are 107, 125, 143, and 161. Okay, let's see if they have the common difference. 125 minus 107 is 18. Then 143 minus 125 is 18. Okay, that means for each next number, then adding number is 18. Got it? So what type of sequence is it then? They have the common difference. So what type of sequence is this then? It is then arithmetic. Yes, basically the when you get by adding or subtracting the next number, that means that would be the arithmetic sequence. And if you get the next one by either dividing or multiplying, that means the sequence is geometric. Got it? Okay. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. Okay, the next one is stop lesson is arithmetic sequences. Let's just start with the next topic, that is arithmetic sequences. Okay, so we already know what are the arithmetic sequences. Let's start with the first one. So here you have to find the missing numbers. Got it? Okay, the first one is type the missing sequence. So it would be 60, 56, 50. Let me write it down on board. Okay, it is 60, 56, 52, 48, the missing number, and 40. Okay, they are arithmetic. That means they have a common difference. Got it? So 60, subtract which number is 56? 60 minus 4 is 56. 56 minus 4 is 52. 52 minus 4 is 48. And 48 minus 4 is 44. That means the missing number is 44. Got it? Yes. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So it is 44. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 78, missing number 82, 84, and 86. Let me write down the sequence on the board. 78, missing number 82, 84, and 6. Let's start with this one. 82 plus what number makes 84? 82 plus 4 makes 80, 82 plus 2 makes 84, and 84 plus 2 makes 86. That means for each next number you have to add 2. Got it? So here the missing number is 78 plus 2 is 80. That means the missing number is 80. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. The missing number is 80. Okay, the next one is the missing number in the sequence 13, 14, 15, 16, and the next number is 17, because for each next number you have to add 1. So 16 plus 1 is 17. Got it? Okay, type the missing number in the sequence 70 plus missing number 52, 43, and 34. Okay, let's see what number you are adding each time. Let me write it down on board. 70, the missing number 52. 70, the missing number 52, 43, and 34. Okay, 52 subtract which number is 43? 52. 52 subtract 9 is 43, and 43 subtract and 9 is 34. That means for each next number you have to subtract 9. Got it? So then the missing number is 72 subtract 9, it is 61. The missing number is 61. Got it? Very good. No, no, it is, you have to subtract 9. It is 80. No, it is 61, not 81. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So Donal, you're doing very good. So your participation is highly appreciated. So we have covered 4 of the topics today. 2 of them are from the last chapter, that is fractions and the mixed numbers. We've done with round mixed numbers, the final test. Then we started the next chapter, that is number sequences, and we have done identify arithmetic and geometric sequences, and then arithmetic sequences. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. Got it? So that's all for today. Please just click on the like button if you find the session helpful for you. Also, you can do me a favor. You can go to Facebook, find the Facebook page, that is A plus students, and please write a review for the live sessions here. Got it? That would be highly appreciated. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.